But according to investigations, it wasn't just about the...
Is it even a possibility for you that if they approach you to settle the matter out of court
proceedings, is there a place for the U.S. government?
Family or friend. We work on contingency basis, which means the families pay us nothing. It shows that the pilot and co-pilot acted heroically under tremendous situation. And then tragically, months later, on March 10th of this year, when Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 crashed minutes after taking off and killed another 149 people, did Boeing at that time step up and say, we know there's a problem with this plane. We know there's a problem with the software. We know there's an issue with the angle of attack sensors. We know that we didn't properly train the pilots on how to disable the MCAS system. Did Boeing do any of that? When the entire world was rushing to ground the 437 delivered planes in the world, to put them on the ground, did Boeing agree to do that? No. What did Boeing do? The exact opposite. Boeing's CEO got on the phone with the President of the United States of America and explained to the President, Mr. President, this plane is a safe plane. The United States of America should definitely not ground the plane, or something to that effect. It didn't take responsibility. And as the days followed and the evidence became insurmountable that the MCAS system definitely contributed to the crash of Ethiopian Flight 302, the FAA was left with no alternative but to ground the plane.
Boeing may try to approach the families of the victims individually to try and settle and compensate them.
Time. We have copies of the press release. We have copies of the federal complaint that was filed. The two families that we currently represent are the family of Moad Hassan, who's a U.S. citizen, a resident of St. Cloud, Minnesota, and the family of George Cabal. Both of these clients, we filed a lawsuit in the United States District Court in the state of Illinois. As far as compensation is concerned, we have not asked for a maximum amount of compensation in our complaint. We want the jury in the United States of America to hear all of the evidence, to hear that what Boeing did, how much money Boeing made from the sale of this plane, what actions and inactions Boeing took, and then allow a jury to decide how much it should award our clients for compensation for the loss of George Cabal, and also to punish Boeing Corporation for its greedy, reckless conduct, which directly led to the loss of 346 lives when you consider both the plane crashes.